If you're going to use RAM for your digging, which I highly recommend, you're going to need to purchase it in the Unity store and install it. And that's what we're going to cover in this video. It's going to be a good lesson because you might do this with some other things as well. So in Unity, you'll see at the top, we've got our scene, we've got our game mode, right? And then we have the asset store over here. This really is just a browser inside of Unity. I don't like to shop for stuff inside of Unity. So what I do is I open in browser. And when you open in browser, you get sent to the asset store at unity.com. And this is where you make sure you have a Unity account. You're going to have your credit card and everything in there. And you can do a search here for RAM. Make sure you purchase the right version. It's going to kind of want you to purchase RAM 2019, which is the most current, but you actually want to purchase this older version right here that I'm going to click on, which is just called RAM River Auto Material. And you can see it's compatible with Unity versions 5.62 or higher. We're on Unity 2018, which is definitely higher. The other version will not work. Okay. And I already bought it, so it says here open in Unity. You'll see it'll say purchase, okay? And then since I already bought it, I'm just gonna say, yep, open in Unity Editor, and it'll bring me back in Unity, back into the asset store. And again, remember, this is just kind of like a browser. And then what I can do here is I can hit this little download button, and it will download Unity to my computer. I'm going to pause while that's happening because this is probably a pretty big file, and then I'll start back when it's done downloading. All right, this is just about done downloading, and then we're going to get the option to import this. I spoke too soon. It's going to decrypt the package. You'll see this, but it's a good thing you saw it. But I'm going to pause again while this is decrypting. Okay, that is done decrypting. We're going to hit the import button. And again, this might take a little bit. So it's going to take that file, it's going to decompress it. So I will show you when that is complete. So after that is done decompressing, you'll get presented with this menu, which it's basically everything you see here. This is the hierarchy on how it's going to be installed in your project folder. So it'll be under the nature manufacturer assets. And then these are all the folders that it's going to install. So, there's quite a bit of material here involved with RAM, but they'll be put under this folder. And then here's all the additional subfolders that are going here. So I'm just going to click import. And then this will take a few minutes as well. So I'm going to pause. So that is finished installing. Let me go back to my scene. And if I come down here and I right click, create 3D object, I should now see two additional options here. One is create river spline and one is create lake polygon. So we do know that RAM is now installed properly. We're going to be using both of these when we dig.